I'm Aiza and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Make a shawarma bread, so we need 3 cups of all-purpose flour with 2 tablespoons for dusting, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of white sugar, 1/4 cup of vegetable shortening, then we're gonna put 1 cup of warm water, and we also put 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna just mix it until it's well combined. Surface, we're gonna put some flour, and we're gonna continue kneading it until it's really soft. And then we're gonna cut it on 12 pieces. Make sure it's even. And we're gonna form it on a circular shape. And then we're gonna set it aside for 30 minutes, and you have to cover it with a cling wrap. Minutes, we're gonna just flatten the dough ball using our rolling pin, and we will need to flatten it as much as possible. And then when it's ready, we will have a pan without oil, and we're gonna just cook it. A onion and garlic for our beef filling. And then we're gonna just saute it. We can use oil, olive oil, or butter, or margarine, or whatever it's available on you. And then we're gonna just saute it. First is the onion, and then when it's kinda look translucent, we're gonna put our garlic, and we're gonna just cook together until it's fragrant. And then we're gonna put our beef, and we're gonna season it with salt and pepper. Okay, and for our shawarma sauce recipe, kuha lang tayo ng cooking pot. Halo lang natin ng 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of evaporated milk or fresh milk, then 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or calamansi juice. Okay. And then we're gonna just mix it, and then we're gonna put 1/4 cup of grated cheese. And then we're also gonna put some salt and pepper, just a little bit. Okay. Yan, isasalang ko na siya sa sa stove. Then, low heat lang siya. And, i-whisk lang natin siya until mag-thicken. Na yan, pag medyo tika na siya, papatayin na natin yung fire. Eventually, magtitika naman siya. Or depende kung gaano ka thick or thin yung sauce na gusto mo. Okay. I think that we're okay for now. And then, sasalin ko na lang siya doon sa pinaglagyan ko ng cheese. Okay, here we go. My goodness. And isa-set aside natin siya. Okay, para naman sa ating another sauce, originally garlic yogurt sauce siya, kaya lang wala akong yogurt, meron lang akong mayonnaise, sour cream, water, and this black pepper and garlic powder. So, depende. Kung wala kayong sour cream, pwede namang mayonnaise lang. And kung wala naman kayong mayonnaise, pwede namang sour cream lang. And ako kasi, gusto ko talaga combination siya. So, dito, wala naman siyang exactong measurement. Pero tansya-tansya na lang kayo. So, ako gusto ko ang gagawin ko is 3:3. Okay. So, 3 tablespoon ng mayonnaise. Okay. Natin. Okay. And then, maglalagay din ako ng 3 tablespoon of sour cream. Isa to yung sa favorite na sauce ko. Pero kung may yogurt naman kayo, yun. Medyo sosyalan lang yung dating niya. Okay. Hahaluin mo lang siya. I-mix mo lang. Sobrang dali lang. And then, tansyahan lang. Siguro ito mga 1.5 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon. Depende. Depende sa gusto nyo. Tansyahan na lang talaga yung paglalagay. Tapos, garlic powder. Tapos, syempre, stick siya, 'di ba? Para matin yung sauce mo, lagyan mo lang siya ng konting tubig. Diba? Halo-halo lang. Then, titikman natin. Masarap. Pero dadagdagan ko siya ng garlic powder. Gusto ko kasi medyo maalat talaga siya. And konting pepper. And then, nakalimutan ko, maglalagay din tayo ng salt. Kaya pala, hindi siya malasa. Okay, and then tikman ulit natin. Sarap. Okay. Ayan. And then, ipapakita ko sa inyo, ito yung garlic mayonnaise sour cream sauce natin. Tapos, ito naman yung sauce na ginawa natin with evaporated milk. So, ayan. Isa-set aside ko lang and then, hindi na ako makahintay makatapos yung feta bread natin. Sobrang gutom na rin ako. I-build na natin. And, medyo na-fail ako sa shawarma shape ko. So, ayan na siya. Then, meron akong mixture of mayonnaise and ketchup. Spread it. Then you can add if you want this. Oops, I forgot my meat. So meat first. So this is the ground beef. Okay. And then lagyan natin siya ng onion, ng cabbage, some and a little bit more of this one. And then you can either choose this. This is the cheese sauce. And then I'll put also this. I will combine it. Hold lang. And there you have it. You have your shawarma.